National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Medina County, northern Summit County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wadsworth and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cuyahoga Falls, Macedonia, Twinsburg. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Summit.
The forecast for North